There she is.
There she is.
Guys, this is the new pickup. 2007 Mazda 3 GX in black mica trailblazed paint skin. If you guys remember on Instagram, I hyped this up. I put on my Instagram story that I had bought a car for $90, and there so I did, and she is sitting right in front of us. As of now, I own 3 2007 Mazda 3s, if you consider this a Mazda 3. Amber, the Mazda 3 over there, and this new 2007 Mazda 3, which we are going to be naming Squirt. This is Squirt. So anyways, the story behind this, we had a guy in the local Mazda 3 club who said that he wanted to part out or maybe sell his whole for parts, and we said screw that, we want the whole thing. We asked if it drove and ran, which it does, and we picked it up for a total of $180, split between Jason and I for $90 Canadian, which is what, like 10 bucks US. This is, like I said, a 2007 Mazda 3 GX. It has 265,000 kilometers on it, I think. It is a 5-speed manual with the 2-liter bulletproof motor. She runs and she drives, but it definitely needs some work. The engine light is on, the O2 sensor system is super bunk in this, so maybe be a future fix if we can get stuff for cheap. Other than that, the front suspension, that's a one-armed bounce. The front struts are blown, which we did end up by actually going and getting Mazda Speed front struts and springs for free, which keeps the budget alive on our new Mazda 3. The front lower control arms, the bushings don't even basically exist, so nice rattle noises, and I think the rear needs some love as well. We've done quite some work on it since the first weekend that we own this. We've stripped basically the whole seats, the rear end, and we're going to be working on pulling the dash and the roof liner and basically all the plastics in here because there was a ton of mold. The rear seats don't exist. There's your mold just from a seat belt. There's mold on the steering wheel. There was the rear seats, just like we had to get rid of them because there is no fixing them. The mold was horrible. And basically that was the cause of a rear corner window missing, which we have taped over to secure for now. But other than that, this is a full interior restoration to start with, just like the Mazda 323 when we had that. The trunk's pretty grimy as well. The reason we picked it up for so cheap, we were originally going to get it for $200, but then it got a little damaged before we got it, so we knocked them down 20 bucks. Rear bumper, we're going to try and pull this. Our temporary seat is a creeper. Basically, we're going to be starting this project off with a bunch of restorations. She's also fitted with a sub-wiring kit. What is that? That's probably a 0 gauge, almost, or a 3. We're going to be taking off the door panels as well and replacing them with the Mazda Speed's old gray, because I think that will kind of suit it. But the future plans for this car,
well, hold
and
on.
what we have.
I missed something.
Oh, and she's also got an aftermarket deck.
She also comes with
She comes with mustard.
honey mustard.
Honey mustard.
Should we smell it?
No. The future plans for this car, you guys are gonna kind of be shocked. And I'm kind of excited to tell you about this because it's kind of like a one-off. Now, it has been done before with what I know a second-gen sedan, and it also has been done with one video on YouTube that I found of a first-gen hatchback. But the plan with this car that we want to do is lift it, and put mudders on it, and make it an off-road vehicle. So the plan is to get strut spacers, spring spacers, big tires, and see where we can go with this. Maybe different springs to help it sit up a bit higher. But we want to make this into a mudding car, something we can take off-road and just have a load of fun with it. We also want to keep it clean. We'll keep it as clean as possible. I still think we can possibly flip it. I wouldn't put it past me if we do end up by selling it after we clean it up. I'm not 100% sure, so this doesn't end up by being a project on the channel. Don't be salty. You probably don't really care about this right now anyway because it's fugly and you guys don't like fugly cars on the channel. Oh, she's sitting on her donut, which then we went and got this fixed at work. Fortunately, they're 15-inch wheels, but I picked up a 16-inch Steely with the appropriate sizing tires, so it's a little bunk, but it's not like I'm daily driving this, so it's not a worry. And the tires also doesn't exist anymore. Yeah, with that being said, here is Squirt. I hope you guys are excited for the process and the restoration of this. I think we will be able to get you a lot of information with stripping out the interior and how-tos, especially the headliner, which we've already kind of taken apart by taking the A-pillars out, and we're going to be working on getting rid of the rest of it out and just getting all the plastic out of here and just, you know, cleaning it and making it fresh again, something that you're able to drive and not feel gross about. The off-roading Mazda 3 is now officially revealed on the channel. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are excited for this project as much as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and ring the post notification bell every time I upload a video on the channel. Unfortunately, Squirt's not the main focus of action right now. Amber, my Mazda Speed, has a bunch of parts sitting around for a stage 2 tune. If you guys are ready for that, those will be the next couple videos. And then also we're going to be doing some work on the Mazda 3 as well. And then Squirt's kind of like the third last kind of worry. It's the budget, because we don't want to spend money on it, because I got money to spend on other things. I mean, anything that we get free for this car, we'll throw it in. And I mean, we already got suspension, so that's a suspension upgrade that we're going to be doing. If you guys want to see future videos on this, we'll be uploading. But other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.